This is a 2015 Toyota Corolla. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, tinted glass, stability control, variable valve timing, and daytime running headlights. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
We are in the center of Northridge, just across the street from the Northridge Fashion Center, and we look forward to assisting you every day.